Hi, and welcome to a tutorial on hypertext markup language, or in short, HTML. In today's lesson, I will be discussing how to create lists on your web page. There are three different kinds of lists that we can add to our web pages. We can add unordered lists, ordered lists, and definition lists. An ordered list is a list that is ordered by number. An unordered list is a list that does not have an order to it, but instead has bullet points. And a definition list includes a term and then a definition for that term. So let's go ahead and let's begin. The way we create an unordered list is we use the UL tag. Let's go ahead and close that UL tag. Within the UL tag, we're going to create an li tag. And this needs to be nested inside of the UL tag, like so. The UL tag stands for unordered list, and the li tag stands for list items. So the unordered list creates the list, and the list items are going to be the individual items that are in the list. So let's go ahead and let's create an item called bread. Underneath of that, let's create another item by using the li tag, and let's call this item milk. Let's go ahead and create another li tag, and we're going to call this list item eggs. We want to create one more list item, and we're going to call this one cheese. Go ahead and save the file and refresh the page. As you can see, we now have a list with bullet points. Now that we have gone through an unordered list, let's go through an ordered list. To do an ordered list, we simply use the tag OL, which stands for ordered list. We then close that tag. We then need to nest an li tag, which stands for list item, inside of the ordered list tag. And once again, we're going to go ahead and create the same list items that we did in the previous list we created. Let's go ahead and copy this to make this easier. Go ahead and save it, refresh the page. As you can see, we now create another list with the same items, but it is numbered 1 to 4. We can change this by using an attribute called type. We can make type equal to 1, which is by default, and that's numbers. As you can see in the web browser, we have 1 to 4. The type is 1, and that is by default. We can change them to uppercase alphabets. Save that, refresh. As you can see, the list items change to uppercase alphabets. We can use lowercase alphabets by using a lowercase a. Good, save that, refresh the page. As you can see, it changed to a lowercase a. We can also use Roman numbers by using I. A lowercase I will be lowercase Roman numerals. As you can see, it's lowercase numerals, Roman numerals. And we can use an uppercase I. Go ahead and refresh this page. And the uppercase I gives us uppercase Roman numerals. The last kind of list that we can create is a definition list. To create a definition list, we use the tag DL. Close that tag. Within the DL, we're going to use a DT tag, which stands for definition term. This is the term that we want to use. And this also needs to be nested within the DL tag. The term that I'm going to give is bread. We're going to create another definition term by using the DT tag. Close that DT tag. We're going to give this one term milk. We're then going to create a definition for the term. We do this by using the dd tag. Close the dd tag. Let's go ahead and let's write some kind of definition for milk. The definition I'm going to get is low fat. I'm going to hit enter again. I'm going to create another definition for milk by using the dd tag. Close that dd tag. I'm going to give this definition vitamin D. Go ahead and save this, refresh the page. As you can see, we now have a list of bred milk, and the milk has a definition of low fat and vitamin D. Let's go ahead and create one more data term. Let's call this eggs. Let's give eggs a definition with the dd tag, and let's give it a definition of large egg. Go ahead and save the file, refresh. Now you can see we have a list that has a term of eggs and a definition of large egg. So in closing, I have taught you how to create an unordered list, an ordered list, and a definition list. Thank you for watching.